TikTok consumes a lot of data. So why are you still scrolling through TikTok for free? You need to find a way to monetize your time on TikTok. TikTok isn't just another social media app. TikTok is the biggest cheat code of making money online that we have never seen. And right now, people like you and I are making thousands of dollars and creating financial freedom for themselves just by posting videos. The time to take advantage is right now, and if you stick with me, I'm going to take you through how you can dive into this once in a lifetime opportunity and start making money from TikTok. Now, if you live in Nigeria, I understand that TikTok does not pay Nigerians except through live videos, and that comes from fans gifting you. And to even access those earnings, it takes a lot of protocol. But then there are ways you can still earn from TikTok indirectly, even without the platform paying you, and that I'll be sharing shortly in this video. If you're still watching at this point, make sure to smash that like button right now. In monetizing your time on TikTok, the first thing is to have an account, which I know you already have, and the second thing is to be uploading videos or content on that account. Now, you might want to say that you have very little followers, or you just started your account, you don't even have followers. Now, there are ways that you can grow your TikTok account, and the first way is by following big creators and then turning on your post notifications, so that once those big creators post a video, you will be notified, and immediately you go to the comment section. Now, when you go to the comment section, you make sure to leave a very reasonable comment, or a very funny comment, or maybe something even controversial that can attract likes. Now, when you go to some comment section, you see some comments with 10k likes, 20k likes, 15k likes, 5k likes. Those likes came because that person was like one of the first people to engage on that post, number one. Number two, the comment was hilarious, and number three, it was either controversial or very educative. So those are the things that can make your comments get a lot of likes. And then when you have that much likes on one comment, if you make a comment and you get like 10k likes, there's a possibility that 5,000 of those likes would come to your profile to want to know who you are. Now, there's also a possibility that from the 5,000 persons who have come to look at your profile to know more about you, like 1,000 will subscribe. Now, this brings us to the third thing. If they come to your profile and then you don't have videos to keep them engaged or entertained, they would not follow your account. So this brings us to the third thing, which is being active on your account. There's a difference between coming to TikTok every day and just watching videos and going off. You have to be active on your account. You have to constantly upload videos on your account. That's what being active means. You have to always upload content on your account to keep these followers now engaged and entertained, so that they can engage on your post also. The next thing is to look for what to sell on the platform. If you already have a business, this will be the best time to bring it forward, to advertise it to your new followers now. Now, if you don't already have a business and you don't even have a capital to start up a business, that's okay. You can go into affiliate marketing or even drop shipping. Now, you don't even need a capital for affiliate marketing or drop shipping. You can simply sell other people's products and get paid a commission. Now, you can advertise this product in the middle of your content. Let's say you're making a content on how to on get ready with me. Let's say your content now is get ready with me, and then while dressing up, you can advertise a cloth that you put on and then put a link to the place where they can purchase that product, that dress now. So that is what affiliate marketing or drop shipping is. So you can start affiliate marketing. Just make sure that you have a product you're selling so that you can have double source of income. While you are trying to promote your business, in the middle of your content, make sure that you use trending sounds, trending topics to do that. So I don't know if you get, so always make sure that you are using trending sound. That will help your video go viral faster. Using trending sounds in your videos will help your videos go viral faster. So while you are promoting your business, make sure you're doing that with trending sounds. Make sure you're jumping on trends to grow your account faster and get your products seen. Next thing you can do is drive your traffic. Now these are your new followers. Drive them from your TikTok account to a paying platform, either YouTube or Facebook, where you can easily get paid and easily access your funds. Now YouTube actually pays directly to your account, so you can drive your traffic from TikTok to Facebook or YouTube so that you can get paid, and that will be more money for you. Now to do this, all you have to do is, when you create a video for your YouTube channel, all you need to do is get a snippet, like a 30 minutes or a 60 seconds short video, and then post it on your TikTok account, and then ask your audience, give them a CTA to watch the full video on your YouTube channel, and make sure that you have your YouTube channel linked to your TikTok account, and then also put in a link in your description so that people can always go there to watch more videos and even subscribe to your channel. So that will mean you growing your YouTube channel through your followers on TikTok. So these are some of the ways you can make money indirectly on TikTok without TikTok having to pay you directly. If you're still watching, please smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any of my updates. On this channel, I share tips that help new YouTubers, small and struggling YouTubers grow their channel faster and monetize it faster. So if this sounds like what you want, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and also turn on the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever there's a new video up on my channel. In the meantime, if you're still struggling to grow your YouTube channel, if you don't get enough subscribers from your videos, you can watch this video right here. If you're still struggling to design scroll stopping YouTube thumbnails, you can watch this one right here. Until next time, bye.